Hi everyone, this is Marilyn with House of Okote Design. Today I'm sharing with you how I thread my Juki 1181N industrial machine. So first we're going to start with the spool of thread, which you can see that's here. You're going to take your thread and pass it through this hole at the top. And then you're going to come across the top of the machine, and I'll get a little closer here for you to see this thread holder or this thread guide. You're going to pass it through the hole at the top here or bottom, either one, okay? And then you're going to pass it through this hole here, okay? And then you've got some little tension disc. You'll pass it through there. It's a little difficult with this one hand with the camera. I try to get a little closer for you to see what I'm doing here. So I'm going to take this other hand and pass it through those tension discs. All right. And then there's a little hole right here. You want to go through that hole while you're maintaining some tension and grip on your thread. Okay. Alrighty. So as I'm maintaining a little tension, it's between those discs. So here you want to take advantage of having your knee lever. So you want to use that to open up those tension discs. All right, and as you can actually see, I'm going around the tension discs. They're fully open. I'm going around, and then I'm going to come back over this little metal loop that you see here. And you want to have some tension on it when you're pulling it. It should actually move. You can engage that little black loop there. Okay, so then we're going to go around this metal hook. You can see there. Okay, so now up here, you've got another thread guide. You then want to go through that thread guide right here. That's your next step. So put the phone down there and pass it through here. All right. Now we've got this little loop right there. We want to get that one. Okay, pass it back through that one. And then we're going to get that top loop up here. Okay, now you can see everything's kind of moving. Now let's get a little closer. We've got another loop right in here on the opposite side. This is the one we want to go in right around there next. Okay, pull it down, go around that thread guide, and you want to go into this little loop right here, this one. Okay, so once we're going through there, oh, lost it. Let's try that again. Just be patient. That's the most important part of it, of the sewing, is getting this machine threaded correctly. Okay, so as we pull that through, now what's important, you want to make sure that with the industrial machines that your needle is in the correct position. Okay, most of the domestics you load in the front. With this industrial, you're going to load from left to right with your threading process, from left to right. Okay, so I thread through the left. I'm going to pull my thread through the right. Okay, then I'm going to make sure that needle foot plate is all the way up. Sorry, your presser foot's all the way up. And then you're going to pass that needle to the back. Okay? Now, with the bobbin, since mine is pre-wound, it's actually loaded from the bottom. So I'm going to pull that out, and you can actually see how it's already loaded here. Okay? So I'm going to take that bobbin and show you that I'm going to go from underneath the table. Okay, I'm going to place it in, and you'll hear a click. Okay, you hear that click? So at this point, make sure you're able to see that. The camera might have been out of focus a little bit for you. So I'm going to take this out again to show you the actual bobbins loaded. Okay, I'm going to go back under the table and place it. Okay, and you'll hear a click. Okay, perfect. All right, and that is it. That's how you thread the Juki 1181 in. Hopefully that was helpful. If it was, please give me a thumbs up. Like and subscribe, House of Akoti Design. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.